Yo, what's going on everybody? In this video, I'm going to be installing this OLM CS style carbon fiber lip on my 2018 STI. I don't know if you guys can tell, but right about there and right about there, there's already scuffs on the lip. Before I even got it onto the car, my bumper fell over, hit the driveway, and that happened. So yes, it sucks. I'm not happy about it, but what can you guys do? It's just one of those days where you're installing stuff and it's totally not going your way. If anything, the worst thing happens. But yeah, that being said, here's the video of me installing it. Oh yes, the time has finally come. This car's about to get a facelift. It's gonna look beautiful. Got a big old box right here. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it, show you guys what's in the box. You guys already know because of the title. It is a carbon fiber front lip. You guys will see exactly what it looks like here in a second. But let's just take a close look at this car, what it looks like without a lip for one final time. This is so overdue. I should have done this a long time ago, but I'm over here just dumping all my money into the engine bay and performance and stuff like that. But it's time to actually make the aesthetics look a little bit nicer too. So I want to get some good footage of this no lip real quick, because we're not going to see it like this anymore. The front bumpers don't look too bad on this car, so that's why it took a long time to do the lip, but it's going to look even better with the lip. So let's go ahead and unbox this really quick. Let's see what's in the box and let's go ahead and get this thing installed. I'm excited. Time to get this front bumper off. It's been a while since I've seen my car without a front bumper. Still looks pretty good though. Alright, so there's a little gaps here and there, but I'm hoping that when I get the screws in here, everything's gonna tighten down. You know what I mean? So that's what we're gonna have to work on right here. Okay, I have the bumper upside down right now, as you guys can see. Just basically trying to figure out the best method of putting this thing on. Alright, so let's just do our best here. We're gonna go ahead and start in this corner right here. Let's line it all up. Let's get one of the self-tapping screws in there, and then we're gonna move on to the other side. So I got a screw in right there on the edge, and then I got one right there on the edge as well. I'm just gonna flip it over. I'm gonna see how that looks on the edges before I actually continue. Hopefully you guys can see that. Big gap right here. And you can see this gap right here as well. Pretty obvious. Right here as well. Anyways, I'm gonna work on that. I'm gonna see if I can fix that at all, make it look a lot better and cleaner. Then I'm gonna put the rest of the self-tapping screws in here. So let me just do that really quick. All right, you know what? We're just gonna go ahead and run that. There's still a little bit of a gap over there on the side and right there in the corner, right there. Same for the other side. I'll show you guys. Just, you can see a little bit of a gap. Whatever though, we're gonna run that. Let's go ahead and get this thing all the way tied down. Let's slap the bumper back on. Call it a day, you know? This is my first time actually installing a lip too, by the way. So all right, you guys will not believe me right now, but I flipped my bumper over, get ready to put some screws in, went to the garage, came back, it was flipped over on the, you know, the driveway. Check it out. Got some love marks already on my brand new lip that has not even been on the car yet. Big old scratch right there. Big old scratch right there. Like straight up, it's not just a scratch, like it chipped. $550, that's cool. It's always fun. Super noticeable too. Damn, that pisses me off. Should have had cardboard back there like I do now for protection. Don't you guys love it when things don't go your way? Not sure what I'm gonna do about those little chips there. If you guys have any recommendations, let me know. But that is super unfortunate. Screw it, I don't even care about this damn lip anymore. I'm just gonna go ahead and slap it on, screw it on, put it on the car and forget about it. But basically this is how I had the bumper sitting. Obviously it's not on video because I wasn't ready to film at the moment. Went to the garage, came back out, and the bumper was flipped over on the concrete. Fun stuff. RIP in the comments, you guys. I wish I had that on video now. Would have been a good little clip. And I was gonna use bolts and nuts to put this thing together, but I don't even care about this thing anymore. I'll probably just buy a new lip here in a few months. It's not a great fit for this guy, and I'll probably get tired of it here soon anyways, so whatever. But yeah, hey, at least the lip protected my bumper from scratches, even though the lip costs more than the bumper probably. I'm just trying to make myself feel better, okay? Scratches, one right there and one right there. I'm gonna have to figure out what to do about that. It's white, that's why it's super noticeable. I swear I'll take a Sharpie and color in a carbon fiber design if I have to. Oh boy, I know what I'm doing on my next lip, that's for sure. Well, that's a wrap, you guys. Super obvious, those little scratches on the corners. I was happy when I was beginning this install, you know, when I got the box, I was like, oh yay, a front lip, I'm so excited, it's gonna be a good day. Now I'm sad. Whatever, we'll have it on for the meantime. We'll change it out in the future. Let's get this back onto the car and let's forget about this day. I'm just gonna go ahead and time lapse me doing this. Nothing important. Might even just flash to the bumper being on the car. All right, well, it's complete. Yeah, you guys, I'm not even gonna do a cinematic of this. I don't think it's even worthy. Just look how obvious that scratch is right there. And that one right there. That is super unfortunate. I'm not happy about this at all. Other than that, I think it looks pretty good. If I didn't have those scratches on there, I'd be doing a cinematic for you guys right about now. But if I did a cinematic for this, the scratches would just pop. It's the only thing you guys would see. First thing you guys would start commenting about. I'm okay. No cinematic. Gotta live with it. You guys ever just have those days where you mess up? Car's getting dirty. But yeah, there's the lip. Yeah, if I hit it from the angle, you know, where you can't see the scratch, it actually looks pretty decent. Well, there you guys have it. There's the OLM CS style carbon fiber lip for the 2018 STI. Hope you guys enjoyed this video more than I did enjoy making it, because that was not a fun experience getting those scratches on the lip. Still very bummed out about it. I'll get over it. I'll sleep on it. I'll get over it. Whatever. I'll get a new lip eventually. It's fine. It's just a piece of plastic. At the end of the day, or carbon fiber, whatever. End of the day, it's replaceable. It's not the end of the world. Anyways, I do hope you guys did enjoy this video. The giveaway is almost over for the pair and license plate relocation kit. If you guys haven't entered yet, go ahead and check that video out. Enter. A few days left. I'm going to pick the winner soon and ship that out to them. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, everybody. Thank you.